Dr. Rajendra Prasad, India's first president, was an influential leader during India's freedom struggle. He died on February 28, 1963. On his death anniversary, let us take a look at some of the lesser-known facts about him. Rajendra Prasad was a postgraduate in economics from the University of Calcutta and used to stay at the Eden Hindu Hostel. In 1911, Dr. Prasad joined the Indian National Congress and became the leader of the Bihar and Odisha region. He is the first president of the Constituent Assembly that drafted the first constitution of the Republic of India. In 1946, Dr. Prasad became the first Minister of Food and Agriculture in the interim national government. Like many leaders of the freedom struggle, Dr. Prasad too was jailed by the British several times, especially for his involvement in the Salt Satyagraha movement of 1931 and the Quit India movement of 1942. Dr. Prasad quit the Congress as the President of India and set up new guidelines for the parliamentarians that are followed to this day. When in 1934 Bihar was hit by a devastating earthquake, the British authorities had to release Dr. Prasad from jail so that he could lead the relief services in the state. In 1935, when an earthquake hit Quetta, now in Pakistan, Prasad was again elected as the president of the Quetta Earthquake Relief Committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was honored with the highest civilian award in India, the Bharat Ratna, in 1962.